everyone, I'm here to explain the five thought I scoped from the video from the impacts of globalization in communication and information dissemination. So, by the given by the Nobel Peace Laureate Maria Ressa in the United Nations and its significance to our daily lives and how as a nation should we move forward. First, we are electing liberal leaders democracy. So means by this that people are using democratic election like voting freedom to choose leaders to put into power leaders who do not fully respect democracy itself, especially the parts that protect freedom, human rights, and the rule of law. So, like for uh, example, a country may freely elect a leader who uh, later restricts freedom or manipulates the courts. The election was democratic, but the leader's behavior is illiberal against democratic values like freedom, equality, and justice. That is build alternative infrastructure for trust. It is mean by the creating new ways or systems for people to trust each other or institution, especially when traditional sources of trust like governments, media, or big corporation are failing or no longer reliable. So what do you mean by infrastructure for trust? So this is the system of institution and norms that help people believe in one another and in society. For example, the justice system, news organization, election, or banks. So how about alternative? New or different from the old system. So that's the meaning of that. So like for example, creating transparent online systems like blockchain, or people can verify information of or transaction themselves instead of uh, re- relying on middlemen. And then second is building community-based organization that people can trust more than distant national institution. And the third example is supporting independent fact-checking networks when traditional media loses credibility. So in short, finding new reliable ways to rebuild people confidence when old systems no longer earn their trust. Third one is invest comprehensive solution. So the mean of this is put time, money, and effort into solving a problem completely and truly, rather than using quick or partial fixes. Uh, like for example, invest to give resources like money, energy, or effort. And then comprehensive, complete, covering all important parts of the problem. And then the solution, of course, the ways to fix or solve an issue. So example of this is instead of giving food to hunger people, invest in comprehensive solution like job programs, education, and sustainable farming. So hunger is reduced permanently. And the second example is for climate change. Instead of only planting trees, invest in comprehensive solution like renewable energy, waste reduction, and environmental education. So in short, spend resources on complete and lasting answer, not temporarily fixes. Word I cope from the video is information integrity is the mother of all battles. So that means that protecting the truth and accuracy in information is the most important and difficult fight of all because everything else in society depends on it. So example, information integrity means keeping information through accurate, honesty, and manipulated. So, mother of all battles, it means is a metaphor meaning the greatest or most important struggle. So, if the example of that is if social media is full of misinformation about elections, health, or climate change, People might believe false things and make dangerous choices. That's why protecting truthful information is seen as the mother of all battles. So in short, the fight to protect truth is most important battle we face today because truth is the foundation of everything else. So the fifth example that I coupled from the video is choose courage over comfort, facts over fiction, and hope over fear. So this phase is means powerful inspirational message that encourages people to make brave, truthful, and positive choices, even it's difficult. So first, I explain to you the choose courage over comfort. Be brave and do what's right, even if it's uncomfortable or risky. Don't just do what feels easy or safe. Example, ani kay speaking up against just injustice even in its unpopular. And then how about sa choose facts over fiction? So this is believe in truth and evidence, not lies or made up stories. uh, think critically and look for real information. For example of this is checking facts before sharing news or rumors online. And then last is the choose hope over fear. Stay optimistic and believe things can get better instead of giving into fear or negativity. Example of this is working for change even when things seem hopeless. So that's our the five that I cope up from the video. Thank you for watching. Bye.